Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Yeah. Mic check 1, 2. Bad habits die hard. Yeah. Yo. Bad habits die hard. Better pour me a drink. I think I'm living out the dream. It means I know my how it seems to you. I do what I do best when the best of crews. My drive proof with the rest to use. You better think quick when you pick your tools. Time is now, we'll be testing fools. You see the green smoke cloud, we'll be breaking rules. So I'ma load up lyrical bullets. I cut my hammer, put my finger on the trigger and pull it. I put the people to the press.
Hello friends, my name is Prerna. I'm from Hyderabad and I'm the student of DPS.
My name is Prakyat from Hyderabad. I am the student of RPS.
And I am Siddhi. I am also from Hyderabad and I am from GIIS.
We are taking training in Anas Taekwondo Club Academy.
Our coach is Asfat Ali,
A famous international gold medalist and Guinness Book of World Record holder too.
Today we'll show you back command
Chakrasan,
And back bending.
We'll show you some back command exercises. If you practice it daily at home, you'll definitely get back command.
So let's get started.
the wall, don't start directly, because if you do directly you may cause great damage. So do at the wall how we showed you. So now I'm going to show you the final. So the exercises which we showed you, if you practice daily at home, you will definitely get back command. But there is a warning that never do at the plain surface. If you are trying it first time, do it at the wall as we showed you. Then do it at the grass, and then you can try it on the hard surface. So please subscribe our channel,
Share and like it.
Bye.